One quiet click is all it takes, and after that, the real danger is no longer visible. No pop-ups, no crashes, no warning signs. Everything looks normal on the surface, but behind the scenes, the device is no longer fully yours. Instead, it keeps running, while someone else quietly watches, records, and collects everything happening on it. And the most unsettling part? It can stay like this for a very long time without being noticed. Welcome to BlueHat Cybersec Academy. That hidden threat is often delivered through a remote access Trojan, or RAT, a type of malware designed not just to infect a system, but to completely take it over remotely, and more importantly, to turn it into a silent surveillance machine. Understanding how RATs work is critical because their capabilities go far beyond simple hacking. They replicate something much more invasive, the feeling that someone is sitting directly in front of the victim's device, controlling it in real time. So, in this section of the Malware Encyclopedia, the focus is clear. The spying capabilities of remote access Trojans, the features that make them so powerful, so invasive, and so dangerous. Let's start with the foundation of everything, silent control, which is really the backbone of remote surveillance. A remote access Trojan creates a hidden connection between the infected device and the attacker's system, which is usually called a command and control server, or simply a C2 server. Once that connection is active, the attacker can send commands at will, as if they are physically using the machine. But unlike destructive malware that reveals itself quickly, RATs are built for stealth. Their entire purpose is persistent staying hidden while silently collecting intelligence over time. From there, one of the most invasive spying features comes into play: keylogging. And it does exactly what it sounds like. It records every single keystroke made on the device. This includes things like passwords and login credentials, private messages and emails, search queries, and even banking or payment details. The danger here is subtle because users type these things naturally, without ever realizing they are being recorded. Over time, this becomes a continuous stream of highly sensitive information being silently harvested. Then we move into something even more visual: screen capture and live desktop viewing. RATs often go beyond just capturing text. They can take screenshots or even stream the victim's screen in real time. This effectively turns the attacker into a silent observer, watching everything the user does, including active social media or email sessions, confidential documents, financial dashboards, and private conversations. And unlike keylogging, which only shows what is typed, this reveals the full picture: what is seen, what is opened, and what is actually happening on the screen. Now, things become even more intrusive when we talk about webcam and microphone surveillance. Many RATs can activate the device's camera and microphone remotely, without any visible warning. This allows attackers to view the user's surroundings, record audio conversations, and capture images or video secretly. At this point, the threat is no longer just digital. It becomes physical surveillance. A device that was meant for communication is now turned into a hidden monitoring tool. Next comes file access and what is known as data exfiltration. RATs often provide full access to the system's files, meaning attackers can browse folders, download documents, images, and databases, upload malicious tools, or even delete and modify files. But the most dangerous part is data exfiltration itself, quietly copying sensitive information off the device without alerting the user. No disruption, no obvious trace, just silent theft happening in the background. Closely related to that is credential theft and browser data harvesting. Modern RATs specifically target stored credentials inside browsers and applications. This can include saved passwords, autofill data like addresses and payment details, session cookies that keep accounts logged in, and even cryptocurrency wallet data. And this is especially dangerous because instead of breaking passwords, attackers often bypass them entirely by stealing active sessions. Another smaller but extremely important feature is clipboard monitoring. The clipboard is where copied data temporarily sits, and that often includes passwords, wallet addresses, private notes, and other sensitive text. RATs can silently monitor this activity and capture anything copied, even if it stays there for just a few seconds. It seems like a minor feature, but the implications are massive. Now, let's talk about how these threats stay alive for so long. Persistence mechanisms. Rats are rarely designed to be temporary. They are built to stay. So they use techniques like auto-start registry changes, hidden background services, and scheduled tasks that relaunch the malware. Even if the user restarts the device, the rat returns quietly, automatically, and consistently. Once inside, some rats also attempt privilege escalation and deeper system control. If successful, the attacker can change system settings, disable security tools, access protected files, and expand control over the entire device. At this stage, the system is no longer just compromised, it is effectively controlled. And to make sure they are not easily caught, rats rely heavily on evasion techniques. These include obfuscating code to hide behavior, detecting virtual machines or security tools, disguising processes as legitimate system files, and even delaying malicious actions to avoid triggering suspicion. The goal is always the same: stay invisible for as long as possible. When you put everything together, the real danger of remote access Trojans becomes clear. It is not one feature, it is the combination of all of them working together. A complete surveillance and control system capable of monitoring digital behavior, stealing sensitive credentials, observing physical surroundings, and maintaining long-term hidden access. For individuals, this can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and complete privacy breakdown. For organizations, it can escalate into large-scale breaches and corporate espionage. And when you zoom out, the final truth is simple. A remote access Trojan does not force its way in loudly. It slips in quietly, then stays silent, observing everything from inside the system. Its true power lies in invisibility and patience, because in cybersecurity, the most dangerous threats are not the ones that crash your system. They are the ones that never make you realize they are there at all. So now tell me this. If a device shows no slowdown, no errors, and no alerts, what signs would you personally look for to suspect a hidden RAT is active? Drop your answer in the comments. And here's your challenge for this episode. Which capability do you think is the most dangerous in a remote access Trojan keylogging, webcam and microphone access, or session hijacking through credential theft? Explain your reasoning in a few lines. I want to see how you think through real-world cyber threats. And if this breakdown helped you understand how remote access Trojans actually spy on systems, then don't forget to like this video, share it with someone learning cybersecurity, and subscribe to BlueHat Cybersec Academy. Because in the Malware Encyclopedia, we don't just learn malware names, we learn how they think.